Hello and welcome to Shuttle Titan. This video is the step 2 of the NSX-T 2.3 installation series to add Compute Manager. You could also go to shuttletitan.com for step-by-step instructions with screenshots of this step. I'll share the link in the description below. Okay, this is going to be a very short video, but before we begin, let's talk about the Compute Manager for a bit. That will give some perspective to the viewers who are network guys or individuals who do not have a VMware background. A Compute Manager in this case is a VMware vCenter server. A VMware vCenter server is a centralized application that manages multiple ESXi hosts and VMs from a single pane of glass. Here you can see the console of the vCenter server, the version number and the build number. There are few hosts added, and you can manage them centrally without logging on to the host individually. vCenter server is not deployed just to manage hosts from a single pane of glass. It also has its own features like high availability, distributed resource scheduler, virtual switches, which are few examples, and the configuration of which you can propagate down to all hosts being managed by the vCenter. We are not going to dive into the vCenter features as it's not relevant for this video. Okay, as the vCenter has all the information centrally available, NSX-T Data Center polls all the compute managers to find out about the changes such as addition or removal of hosts or VMs and updates its inventory accordingly. However, adding a compute manager is optional because NSX-T can also get the inventory information without a compute manager. That is from the standalone hosts and VMs. So the question arises, why do we add it? In addition to the NSX-T polling the Compute Manager, it provides significant benefits of deploying NSX-T controllers, edge nodes, and components of ESXi hosts being configured as transport nodes directly from the NSX Manager UI. Lastly, let's also talk about the NSX-T 2.3 support facts. Unlike NSX-V, NSX-T does not have a one-to-one relationship with the vCenter server and can support up to a maximum of 5 compute managers, that is the vCenter servers. The minimum vCenter server version supported is 6.5 update 1. I'm going to add the vCenter 6.7 update 1 as a compute manager in this video. Both IP version 4 and IP version 6 communication with vCenter servers are also supported. Now with that, let's get started. Log on to the NSX-T manager. Hover your mouse over Fabric and click Compute Manager. Click Add. Specify the vCenter name. Specify the description if you wish. Specify the FQDN or the IP address. The type is going to be vCenter as it's the only option available here. Enter the credentials. You can leave the thumbprint blank. Click Add to proceed. This is actually not an error message. It's more towards the thumbprint because we didn't specify it in the previous screen. You can ignore this message and click Add. It's currently being added. Okay, we can see the connection status is now up and the registration is successful. That completes the step 2 of the NSX-T 2.3 installation series. In the next video, we'll see how to deploy NSX-T controllers. As I mentioned in the beginning, you could also go to shuttletitan.com for the step-by-step instructions of this step. The link will be in the description below. I hope this video was informative for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.